So I've made a circuit, that security system I made in level 2. That security system I made in all of us made in level 2. I've made that again with the kit. So when Sir told me I can do something like homework with this, so and I can explain, so I thought I'll do this and then explain with that also. So I made the security system. When no one is here, it shows green bulb, you can see here, and when I touch the IR sensor here, it starts blinking and the buzzer makes a tone sound. And when I let go, it goes back to normal green color.